Hello and good afternoon. My name is Dr. Avraj Soampal. I'm a general dentist working in the UK. I wanted to talk to you today about studying abroad for dentistry. So a little bit about myself. I studied dentistry at the University of Debrecen in Hungary. This is a university located in the centre of Europe. So my journey began when I was around the time of doing my A-levels. I wasn't particularly academically interested, but I always loved biology and I always loved using my hands. So for me, I actually thought the ideal career pathway would be going and doing something like physiotherapy. So I applied in the UK using our university system, it's called UCAS, to apply for university and pursue a career in physiotherapy. And I managed to get into university in the Midlands. However, I kind of had a bit of a career change, looking more into the course and more into the university. I won't name which city, but it's sort of West Midlands, not a good one. And I decided, hey, actually, why not dentistry? So I kind of had a long conversation with my parents and I was thinking of, maybe dentistry might be the way forward. It's a pretty good career, pretty stable once you have a job, and kind of get to where I am now, and I'm really grateful I made that decision in the first place. So when doing my research, I actually found that there was a school in East Hungary called Debrecen University. So maybe you're an A-level student and you're wondering, I want to study dentistry, but I'm not sure exactly how to do it, what I need to do. So my experience was I had to sit a university entrance exam that was completely irrelevant and mutually exclusive from any A-levels or any previous studies that I had done. I did have to have an interview where I talked about the things I'd done, but really they wanted to make sure that you could pass a test at their standard in biology, chemistry and physics in a written paper, and also an oral exam in biology and chemistry. After successfully completing the examination to their standards, I was granted first year access into the dentistry course. So why study in Europe? Well, there are actually several reasons. Perhaps you're someone who haven't managed to get into university for the course that you wanted in your home country. For me, it would be England. Or perhaps you're looking for an international experience. Or maybe in my case, like a kind of career change. It costed around, I think, 15 to 17,000 US dollars per year, which I know for Americans is actually considerably cheap, considering education there is crazy expensive. University fees in England at that time were around £9,000, and it equated around the same. It's probably a little bit easier to get into, but one of the cons of studying out in Europe, particularly in Debrecen University in East Hungary, or perhaps some of the other schools in Prague and the Czech Republic, is they make it incredibly difficult to actually finish. So I know people who've studied there 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years before they've actually managed to complete the course and graduate. There are some barriers for some people. For example, they might think, Avraj, I don't want to learn a language. Learning language, it can be pretty fun, and it's actually a part of a course. So anyway, this is just a brief video to give a bit of an introduction about me and where I studied, and offering a bit of insight into what it was like studying in a foreign country. And I hope you got some useful information from today. Thank you.